Have you ever wondered what makes red-winged blackbirds so captivating to birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike? These intriguing avian creatures are a marvel of nature, with their striking physical features and diverse habitats. Donning a slick black plumage, the males of the species are easily distinguishable by their fiery red and yellow shoulder patches, a sight that adds vibrant hues to their environment. On the other hand, females wear a more subdued, brownish streaked attire, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. These birds have an extensive geographical distribution, spanning from parts of Alaska and northern Canada, all the way to the southern reaches of Central America. They favor marshes, wetlands, and open fields, where they build their nests and forage for food. As we delve deeper into the life of these fascinating birds, prepare to have your curiosity piqued. The annual life cycle of a red-winged blackbird is nothing short of a spectacle. As winter recedes and the blush of spring begins to color the landscape, male red-winged blackbirds return to their breeding grounds. These males are early birds, often arriving ahead of the females to stake out the best territories. Their striking red and yellow shoulder patches, or epaulets, flash in the sunlight as they sing out their bold, distinctive songs, a clear signal to any rivals that this patch of marsh or meadow is claimed. Then, with territories established, the females arrive. Slightly smaller and lacking the male's vibrant colors, they are no less crucial to the life cycle of the species. Each female will build a nest, often choosing cattails or rushes as her building materials. These nests, woven tightly to withstand the elements, are usually situated over water or very wet ground, a tactical move to deter predators. Courtship displays are a sight to behold. Males will puff up their feathers, spread their wings, and present their red and yellow epaulets in a vibrant display intended to impress potential mates. These displays, accompanied by the male's distinctive song, are a hallmark of spring in many parts of North America. Once a female has chosen her mate, she will lay up to 4 eggs, which she incubates for about 2 weeks. During this time, the male stands guard, fiercely protecting his mate and future offspring. The chicks, once hatched, grow quickly, leaving the nest after just 2 weeks. As summer gives way to autumn, red-winged blackbirds prepare for their migratory journey. Their destination: warmer climates to the south, where they will spend the winter months. This migration is not a simple journey, but a test of endurance, with birds often flying hundreds, if not thousands of miles to reach their wintering grounds. The complex life cycle of these birds remarkably mirrors the changing seasons, from the vibrant displays of spring courtship to the long journey south in the fall. Each phase of their life is a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature. The presence of red-winged blackbirds is a testament to the health of an ecosystem. This is not just a fancy statement, it's a fact backed by science. Red-winged blackbirds play an important ecological role in maintaining the balance of our natural world. These birds, with their dramatic black feathers and bright red and yellow shoulder patches, are often seen in marshes and wetlands. They feed on insects, helping to keep these populations in check. This is a crucial service to our ecosystems, as unchecked insect populations can wreak havoc on plant life and other species. Red-winged blackbirds also act as seed dispersers. They consume a wide variety of seeds, and when they fly off to new locations, they deposit these seeds through their droppings, facilitating the spread of vegetation. This process is vital for the regeneration of plants, especially in areas where natural seed dispersal is limited. But let's take a moment to talk about red-winged blackbirds and agriculture. You see, these birds have a habit of foraging in fields, and while this may be beneficial in some ways, it can also be a problem. From the bird's perspective, a field of corn or wheat is like an all-you-can-eat buffet. Red-winged blackbirds have a language of their own, communicated through distinctive calls. A large part of their communication is centered around attracting mates and maintaining social hierarchy. Males in particular are known for their distinct conch-la-ri call, a sound that signals territory boundaries to other males and serenades potential mates. The females, on the other hand, have a wide range of vocalizations, but their chatter is primarily used for social interactions within the flock. They use different calls to signal danger, locate their young, and communicate with their mates. Interestingly, the dialect of these blackbirds can vary from region to region, much like human accents, adding another layer of complexity to their communication. This intricate language of vocalizations is not just noise, but a vital tool for survival and reproduction. It's a testament to the complex social structures and behaviors that exist within the world of red-winged blackbirds. Their varied calls paint a sonic picture of their social dynamics and behaviors. The migratory journey of red-winged blackbirds is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. As the summer breeding season draws to a close in the northern stretches of North America, these birds prepare for a voyage that will take them thousands of miles southward. The onset of autumn signals the time to commence this extraordinary journey. With an innate sense of direction, the red-winged blackbirds navigate their way from their breeding grounds, spanning from Alaska to Newfoundland, to their wintering grounds, which can be as far south as Central America. This migration isn't merely about survival, but it is a strategic move in response to seasonal changes. As food resources dwindle in the north with the approach of winter, the blackbirds move southward where food is still plentiful. And when spring returns, the birds fly back to their breeding grounds, ready to start a new breeding cycle. The sheer numbers involved in this migration are truly staggering. Millions of red-winged blackbirds take part in this annual journey, filling the sky with a spectacle of nature's grandeur. But this isn't a leisurely trip. The journey is fraught with challenges, from unpredictable weather and long distances to potential predators. Yet, the red-winged blackbirds are well equipped to tackle these obstacles. Their strong wings and agile flight make them capable travelers, and their social nature often sees them migrating in large flocks, providing safety in numbers. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of this migration is the birds' impeccable sense of direction. Guided by the Earth's magnetic fields and the position of the sun, they are able to navigate their way across continents with remarkable accuracy. The migration of these birds is a spectacle that captivates bird enthusiasts across continents. It is a testament to the incredible journey of survival these blackbirds undertake each year, a journey that reflects their resilience, adaptability, and the intricate interplay between them and the changing seasons of our planet. Despite their resilience, red-winged blackbirds face a myriad of threats. These distinctive creatures, with their fiery epaulets and bold personalities, are not currently endangered, but that doesn't mean they are free from challenges. Pressures from habitat loss, exposure to pesticides, predation, and the looming specter of climate change all pose significant threats to their survival. Loss of wetland habitats due to industrialization and urbanization has perhaps been the greatest blow to these birds. Wetlands are the preferred nesting grounds for red-winged blackbirds, and they are disappearing at an alarming rate. Additionally, these birds are often exposed to harmful pesticides as they forage in agricultural fields, having detrimental effects on their health and reproductive success. However, it's not all doom and gloom. The story of the red-winged blackbird is also one of resilience and adaptation. These birds are incredibly adaptable and have shown a remarkable ability to survive in a changing world. But their survival depends not only on their adaptability, but also on our actions. Conservation efforts are crucial in preserving the habitats of these birds and protecting them from harmful pesticides. Public awareness and appreciation for these birds play a vital role in this endeavor. Beyond their ecological importance, red-winged blackbirds hold a special place in our cultural tapestry. In folklore and literature, they are often seen as symbols of change and transformation, perhaps due to their migratory habits or their striking plumage. Many indigenous cultures view them as bearers of good news, or as messengers between the human world and the spirit world. Their vibrant colors and distinctive calls have inspired countless pieces of art, music, and poetry, enriching our cultural heritage. The survival of red-winged blackbirds is intertwined with our actions and our appreciation of their cultural significance. Their story is a reminder that every creature, no matter how small or seemingly commonplace, has a role to play in our world and in our hearts.